bones or anything like that. So I like to go through and then I like to rinse them. Inspect them. Is 2 cups of the dried lentils. And to those 2 cups, we add 6 to 8 cups of water. Is 2 cups. I got actually 8 cups of water and add my lentils. What I like about lentils is you don't have to do the pre-soaking and the discarding of the water, the pre-soaking and all of that. They don't take a very long time to cook. These can cook in less than 30 minutes. So let's get going. So it's not completely covered and I have it down on low, and I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. Check it. I may let it cook about 10, 15 minutes more because I like for mine to make its own gravy. Okay, let's get with the seasonings. Now, I already added my bay leaves. I had 5 bay leaves. Here's another one. Put that in the pot, and we're gonna discard those once it's cooked. About a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You know, cayenne pepper can get really hot, so you don't want too much of that. She uses fresh parsley, but I'm gonna go with about 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. About a teaspoon of nutmeg. Teaspoon of curry powder. Salt to taste. I don't like to add too much salt, but salt to taste. And we'll stir that around. And you see it's cooking up. It's only been cooking for about maybe 15 minutes. It's almost really done. But I like mine to be thick like a gravy. But I'll stir that in and let those seasonings permeate. Tilt just a little bit so the steam can escape. And let it continue to cook until it's thickened. So I'll probably let it cook about 15 more minutes. While they're cooking, I'm gonna saute some onions. I want to get those in as quickly as possible, so we'll do this very quickly. So you're looking for alternative ways to add protein to your diet? Lentils is a good way to go. It's very economical. It's an excellent source of protein. So if you're trying to stretch that dollar, look at lentils. They taste good, like I said, and they're so versatile. You can eat them as they are, or you can cook up lentils and put it over a baked potato. You've got a meal there, and you've got your protein. Add carrots to it. You can add, my friend, he cuts up a vegetarian hot dog, and he puts it in there and makes it really smoky. But lentils and my spoon cornbread, that's the way to go. I'll have that link for my spoon cornbread. Just get some tongs or however you want to do it, fork, and then I just pick out, and I know how many bay leaves I added. I just take out the bay leaves. Doesn't take long at all, and you have a good source of protein. You also get a little bit of calcium with lentils and potassium. So that's very good, very economical. Treat yourself to a hot bowl of lentil, but don't forget my spoon cornbread. I have a link for you. Well, let's see if my lentils taste half as good as my mom's. I'm in the ballpark for sure. I'm definitely in the ballpark. It tastes very good. The seasonings are just wonderful, and the more it sets, the better it gets. I will soon be posting an online course, Boss Battle Strategies to Lose Weight. I have a 3-prong approach that I use, and it'll work for you. So be looking for when I'm going to post when that course will start so that you can join me Also, on some Thursdays, I will start posting some live streams. I have people who are asking me questions. One person wants to know about, basically she wants an anti-inflammatory diet. She may be having some liver issues. Is there anything that she can do to address that? Another person has extremely large breasts. Is there anything that she can do to reduce her breasts? And there are other questions that people ask. So some Thursdays I will start posting a live stream. Again, it's for you. We can share in this community so that we both can enjoy good living. Well, I'm Das, I'm out, but I look forward to seeing you next show.